Yo, what is going on, everybody? Very quick announcement before we get into today's video. I have to shout out today's sponsor, which I'm sure you guys already know about, which is Reshoevn8r. In my hand right now, I am holding the Reshoevn8r adjustable shoe trees, and it's very important I tell y'all this because when it comes to the Air Jordan 5, it's very important that you make sure they don't look busted, they don't look all messed up, beat up, and make sure that the toe box is not all disformed and the back angles are all destroyed. Air Jordan 5s are one of those Jordans that have a huge toe box. With that being said, it's just easy to crease and it's easy to mess up. If I was you guys just like me, after I'm done wearing my Air Jordan 5s in particular and my Air Jordan 1s, I always make sure I put my adjustable shoe tree inside of the sneakers that I choose to wear. Basically what these do is they hold the form of the shoe, they make sure that the toe box stays as less creased as possible while they sitting rather in your containers or whether they sitting in your shoe box for the appropriate time. Now the link to this adjustable shoe tree can be found down below. Use my link and I appreciate you guys, man. And if you do use the link, make sure that you send over a screenshot of your purchase and I will shout you out just for rocking with your boy Sniper Jones. So make sure, man, after you buy your Air Jordan 5 if you haven't already bought your adjustable shoe trees from Reshoevn8r, you make sure you go ahead and get those, man. Like I said, they can be found down below. Thank y'all so much for listening and pulling up to another video. Now without further ado, let's see what these Air Jordan 5s are in for, man. Let's do it. Squad, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy Sniper Jones. I am back with another video for you at top. Guys, today we have another unboxing, a brand new Air Jordan 5, and this time we got an early review. Now I've been giving y'all a lot of early reviews the last few months, man, so if you enjoy this early content, make sure you smash the like button because getting these early shoes is not always easy. I'm starting to think y'all starting to take stuff for granted, bro. Listen, when you out here in these streets, y'all know, bro. Y'all love sneakers just as much as me. Getting these early pickups is not easy. Sometimes I gotta make 1,000 calls, drive 1,000 miles. So to show some appreciation, please hit that thumbs up button for your boy one time for the one time. And also hit the subscribe button if you are new because I always drop content like this, so it's nothing new around these parts. So let's get into it, guys. Y'all already know the vibes, man. These are the Air Jordan 5 Weta. And I gotta be completely honest with y'all, I might have an opinion that a lot of people might not have, but without further ado, let's get into it and let's show these niggas. Here we have the Air Jordan 5 box. I'm pretty much sure that everybody knows about the Air Jordan 5 and the box that it comes in, so we don't really need to get into that. Now this sneaker will be releasing November 12th for the retail price of 220 of them things. Now I'm looking at these shoes and I'm looking at my shirt. And I might have picked the wrong shirt to wear on this episode because it's about to get very colorful here, bro. I ain't gonna hold you. Not clown me down below in the comment section, bro. I ain't going for it. But here we go, guys. We get the mismatch, the craziness of the Air Jordan 5 Weta. And to my people who are new to like the whole Weta vibe, because I know for sure, like when I show certain people who not into the sneaker community these shoes, they be like, bruh, you get a mismatched shoe? What happened to the other shoe? That's not the same shoe. Calm down, okay? Just calm down. The entire purpose of the shoe is for it to be mismatched. Usually Jordan or Nike, whenever they drop a Weta, it's usually combining all of the most popular colorways or like the biggest shoes of the year into one. And this shoe is full of a lot of our favorites, to tell y'all the truth. Starting off with the yellow pair, I mean, of course, y'all see that, I mean, it has that Tokyo 5 on the upper. The Tokyo 5 is rumored to be dropping next year, maybe. But the fact that they put the Tokyo 5 in here is amazing, man. Like, this is a really, really great shoe. A lot of people's grails. And, I mean, I don't really know too many people who own it. Maybe 2 people, but it's super limited and very hard to find. Now, the midsole of this one is the Fresh Prince midsole. I know a lot of you guys remember the Fresh Prince. Actually, did they drop again this year? Yes, yeah, the Bel Air 5s dropped this year, and the outer show has like the remnants of the Fresh Prince of Bel Air outer show as well. Checking out the red pair, I mean, this has to be one of my favorite 5s of all time, which is that Raging Bull 5. I'm definitely excited for them to bring this back out. They brought out the red suede 5 like a few years ago, but nothing beats this 5. I mean, this 5 is the one for sure. Checking out the tongue of the shoe, I believe that's like the green bean. If I'm not mistaken, the green bean 5, I think I'm right about that one. And then the outer sole is the green bean 5 as well. These sneakers also contain parts of the Shanghai Jordan 5, Laser Air Jordan 5, Quay 54 Jordan 5, and last but not least, the Army Green Air Jordan 5. So as you can see, it is a lot of Air Jordan 5 history in these shoes. And honestly, in my opinion, I think this is the year of Air Jordan 5s. The reason being is because usually Jordan Brand takes advantage of a certain year to pretty much mass produce a lot of a single silhouette. Now Jordan 1s, they always gonna push out the last few years. It just is what it is. But we have gotten a lot of Jordan 5s that dropped this year. I was actually even surprised to see this with the 5 because the 5 that dropped earlier this year, I thought was a with the 5, but now they call it like the top 3 Air Jordan 5. I thought that was a what the. I mean, they completely did the same exact thing. They put like the black metallic 5 in there. They put like the great 5 in there. I mean, they really did make a what the, but I mean, this one is just like a what the on another level. So just a list of all the 5s that they dropped this year, bro, because it's crazy. They dropped the top 3 5s. They dropped the Fire Red 5s, the Off-White 5, to say the least, the Oregon 5, the Fresh Prince 5, and you had like that Reverse Great 5. And I may be forgetting a few colorways that dropped, but I mean, excuse my memory, this pandemic just got me all messed up. So guys, without further ado, let's just get into a full breakdown and review of the Air Jordan 5 with the and see what's going on with these. So checking out the outer sole, we get that green bean colorway at the outer sole of the foot. Kind of looks pretty cool to me, man. I like the fact that it's not that translucent sole that gets kind of dirty easily. This is like a more color-coded outer sole, so it take a little bit more work to beat down. Midsole here, man, you see the black midsole with the cement shark teeth on the side, giving us back that white cement Air Jordan 5 that came out not too long ago. Looking at the uppers, man, we get that Raging Bull red, and this material on this Raging Bull feels very good. It really got me excited for that Raging Bull again, bro, because it definitely is one of my favorite Air Jordans of all time. And the last time they dropped in a pack. This time, I hope they just drop by itself single-handedly so your boy Snipe Jones can definitely pick up my pair. Here on the side logo right there, we get that from the Shanghai Air Jordan 5. Just small details and small pieces from other Air Jordan drops. As you see, it has the translucent netting going across. Be careful when it comes to the netting because when it ages, it can oxidize as well, get yellow, but I mean, who cares? We sneakerheads at the end of the day, so it don't matter. Checking out the tongue, once again, it is the tongue from that Air Jordan 5 green bean, and I believe the sock liner of the shoe comes from the Fresh Prince 5 or the Bel Air 5, if I'm not mistaken. Now, the outer sole of this Air Jordan 5 comes from the Fresh Prince as well. As y'all can see, the green on the outer sole, and the midsole, if I'm not mistaken, comes once again from that Bel Air 5. Now, uppers is this amazing suede. Now, the difference between these two shoes is the material is different. And it's right that the material should be different because these two are completely different shoes. Tokyo 5 has that good material as well, but it's just like a different suede. This one is more smoother, and I would say like the Air Jordan 5 Raging Bull is more of a rugged suede, like a carpet suede. This one is more smooth, a little bit more fluent. I know a lot of people don't even remember that Army Olive that's dropped, but it was an actual cool shoe in my opinion. I really like that one. All in all, I mean, it's a cool shoe. Don't get me wrong. I love the idea, and I do think that they probably chose some of the best sneakers to put together for Air Jordan with it. The only downside to me is these are very loud, very bright, and besides the shirt, I really don't dress very bright. I really don't dress very loud, so I really don't know when I would actually be able to wear these. I'm over the point of just buying a lot of shoes just to buy a lot of shoes. I mean, shoes gotta have some wearability, you know what I'm saying? Like, they gotta have some wearability in them, and I don't know if these will have wearability for me, but I do want to know you guys' opinions down below in the comment section. Let me know if you are looking forward to this Air Jordan 5 release, and if you are, then hey, there's nothing wrong with that. The shoe is fire for collectional purposes. If I just wanted to buy the shoe to put in the collection, it would be the right move, but I wear just about everything in my collection. That's one thing I can say about me. I'm a real sneakerhead, bro. If I got it, I'll wear it. And I don't know if I will ever wear these, man. So like I said, tell me your comments down below. Thank you guys for coming, watching another early video. Make sure you smash up that like button, guys. It helps the algorithm, it helps me grow. And remember, we are doing a giveaway at 70K. The new merch is dropping. I cannot wait to show you guys that. And until next time, man, it is your boy Sniper Jones. You know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but really putting in that work though. Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.